Hello everybody, my name is Traindozer. I made this Master Chief and Mercenaries mod for Resident Evil 4 Remake. And in the mod, I changed some text in the menus, and people have been asking me how I did that. So I decided to make this tutorial on how to change text in Resident Evil 4 Remake. So the first thing we're going to do is find the file we want to edit. You need to go to your game directory. We're going to go into REchunk. We're going to go to natives, STM. Now there's two places our text files are located. You have chainsaw, which is where all the messages from like the menus on like the main game. Pretty much anytime you see text in the main game or in the main menu, it's in chainsaw somewhere. Mercenaries is everything that you see in the mercenaries menus. So we're going to go, for this tutorial, we're going to go with Chainsaw. We're going to go with the main game. So after you click on Chainsaw, we're going to go to Message. Then we're going to go to Mess Main System. It's MESMAINSYS. So once we're here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing the difficulty option text when you get to New Game on Resident Evil 4. So what you're going to do, we're going to find our file, Common. Common is where the difficulty information is. Once we've done that, what do? If you try to open it with a text program, it just gives us all this crap. So how are we going to open this file? Well, we're going to be using a nifty tool called REMessage tool. In the description below this video, you'll find the download link. Inside the zip file are three things: the REMessage tool itself, the message converter batch that you're going to need to run the exe, and then the language codes list. You have to specify which language you want the text files converted into. Not really important for this tutorial, but I have provided it so you can translate into any language you want. What we're going to do is we're going to take the message converter and the tool, drop it into our folder, and get rid of that. We don't need it anymore. So we're going to right click on message converter batch and edit. So once we have it opened in our text editing program, you're going to need to type the following. So you need to come down to the line where REngine message tool exe is, space, dash, E for export, space, dash, LNG for language. For this tutorial, we are going to be doing English. So EN. And then we need to come over to our file, right click, rename, Control A to select all of the name, and then Control C to copy. Come back over to our batch file, Control V to paste the name of the file at the end of this line. Once that's done, you need to Control S to save. Come back over here. You're going to double click on message converter.bat. And as you can see, the process is completed and a new file has been saved. If you come back to your common file, look at that. A copy has been created with our language and txt at the end of it. That means it is now a text file. And we can modify really any of this. Some of this is like code language that's not really going to do you any good. It's probably just going to break your game if you edit it. But you can find some things like skip cutscene. I imagine that's the text that's at the bottom, or skip comms when you're trying to skip those things. But what we're going to do is we're going to come close to the end. You can see here, we have these four lines here: assisted, standard, hardcore, professional. That is the text for when you're starting a new game. If you have a hard time finding these, just Control F to find, and then type in assisted, and find next. There you go. You found it. I'm going to be renaming, and you should follow along for this tutorial. Assisted is going to be Bitch Baby. We can go Bitch Baby on assisted. Standard. I think for standard you're having it's pretty chill experience still, so a good time. We're having a good time on standard. Hardcore is pretty dang insane. So, you're killing me. You're killing me is what that one should be called. And then professional is just pure fucking bullshit. All right, so now that we've got those changed, Control S to save. We can go ahead and close out of this. So back in our batch file, we only need to change one thing. We need to change the E to an I for import. That's going to cause the batch to convert the file back to a message 22. So save that. Come back over here and double click the conversion. New file has been created. So you'll see now we have a message.22.new of the same common file. So now we need to go into our Fluffy Mod Manager folder, wherever your Fluffy Mod Manager is. We need to go to Games, RE4R, then we go to our Mods folder. Create a new folder. We're going to be creating a new directory for our new mod. So rename it Honest Difficulties. Go inside there. So now we got to recreate the file structure. So we need to create a natives folder. Inside that, we need to create an STM folder. Inside that, we need to create a chainsaw folder. Make sure you do the underscore prior to chainsaw. Then a message folder. Then an MES main system folder. So now that we're here, we can take that .new file, drag it over, rename it, and just remove the .new. Say yes. And now it is a new message 22 file. So now, if we open up Fluffy Mod Manager, we refresh our mod list, you'll see down here, text. Oh, look at that. Honest Difficulties. So we're going to go ahead and launch the game. And once we're in the game, if you go to main story, new game, and look at that. Our new titles are here. Your Kill Me? Did I type Your Kill Me and not You're Killing Me? Fine, Your Kill Me. Your Kill Me is great. I'm fine with it. But yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you edit text. And you can do this with any message file in the file system. It works the same way with every single one. I'm interested to see people do more text mods. It surprises me that people don't do more. So thank you, everyone, so much for watching. If you have any questions or you have any other modding tutorials you can't seem to find anywhere else, hit me up and maybe I can do something about that. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.